In this module, we will discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping carriers and transfer cases.
First, inspection. Ensure the stock number matches the work order. Confirm the interchange description on the work order matches the part. Confirm work order comments match or special instructions have been completed. Inspect the unit for cracks or damage to the case or housing, and any cut wiring or damaged sensors or external parts. Motors are to be included unless otherwise noted.
Prepare. Remove any of the following after having been approved for sale: unnecessary hoses, wiring or brackets, broken sensors, any other loose, broken, or damaged external parts. Use properly sized red plugs to cover any critical openings, including accessory items. Use adhesive tape where plugs don't fit.
Clean. Pressure wash the entire unit to remove any oil or grease. Recommend using a hot pressure washer, commercial degreaser, or non-heated pressure washer, or a combination of these to properly wash the carrier or transfer case. Complete a final check for cracks or breaks that might have gone unnoticed prior to cleaning.
Tagging and identification. Ensure the correct stock number is visible on the unit. Stamp the unit when possible. Use wire or zip tie to secure all installation instructions, fluid drain warnings, and warranty tags. Shipping. Use one of the following standard pallets for all items weighing over 75 pounds, 24 by 32, 26 by 40, or 30 by 20. If the unit is oversized or uncommon in shape, pallet reinforcement or alteration is recommended to ensure stabilization during transportation.
Use no fewer than 2 banding straps to secure the unit. Ensure straps are not tightened over critical fragile exterior components like plugs or sensors that may break when pressure is applied.
Emily, this carrier is fully prepped and ready to be shipped. What considerations do we need to take?
I would say make sure it's been properly washed and degreased, everything's been drained out of it, it's plugged, pallet sizes checked, make sure there's nothing hanging over to get any damage, but not too big once again so that it doesn't take up too much room on that transportation network, and at least 2 bands have been used to properly secure it so it doesn't move in the shipment.
Thank you, Emily. Thanks for watching and stay safe.